Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Alma. I am doing my makeup right now. I'm getting ready for the day. I work today, so I wanted to show you the main thing of this video. I wanted to show you guys, I purchased this on TikTok shop. It's the Anastasia Summer Proof Brow Kit. And it comes with these 3 items. And I've been doing my brows with it. I'm still trying to get used to the brush. But so far, it's working out really well. So this is what comes with it. Okay, it's the little brush. And I got soft brown dip brow. And then it comes with the clear gel. I looked it up on the website, Sephora or something, but just for these 2 is gonna be almost $40 or something like that. So all this cost like less than $24 with a coupon and all that stuff that they got going on TikTok. So that's what I purchased. It's my new little thing for my brows. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay, so I know it looks like I'm sweating. I'm already sweating. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up a little bit. I just dab a tad bit on my brush, not even that much. And sometimes I have to take some off because, you know, it's a lot. Okay, so this is how I've been doing my brows, okay? I'm gonna do it with you guys. I know I haven't filmed in a long time and it's just been really busy, really hectic, and I'm trying really hard. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the bottom side first, and then I just create like an outline of how I want, like where my brow should end. Okay, this is where the peak is, so I'm gonna start going down. Then I get this and I kind of just push that color through. I just comb it in, and of course I keep filling it. I just keep going with the brush. I like the brush. It's thin. I used to have one a long time ago and it finally gave up on me. I think I bought it at Target, and you know, I'm really hoping this one will last. If I feel like something's really harsh, I just go in with the brush, with the spoolie side. I like this brush. It's like double-sided, and I keep the little caps on just to protect it, or the little plastic covers. So of course, I go back and I just make sure like it's lined up correctly. See, something like that. And then right here, of course. So that's where it's gonna begin here. And I haven't picked up anything. It's just whatever's left in the little brush. And I'm just gonna fill in that part. No, I don't want them to look boxy, so we're gonna work with that. We're gonna blend it. I'm just brushing it. Pick up a little bit more. And I'm just gonna do light strokes. Fill in the rest. I feel like it needs more. do you guys think? I've been using this for a couple weeks now and I actually really like it. And it stays put. It stays put all day. Yes, I'll be sweating and like, not like profusely, but you know, it's a hot time nowadays. So, and this is the clear gel. It comes like this. Okay, so I just get that and then I just brush them through lightly. And that's it for that. I'm gonna do the other brow and I'll be right back and finish the rest of the face. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the new thing I've been trying for my brows. I love trying different things, and you know, I hate some of them and I like most of them. Yeah, let me know what you guys think and let me know if you guys have tried this. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. Okay, and today I'm gonna use this palette. It's the Anastasia Cosmos. I really love this one. I love this one. Yee, can you tell I've been using it? This one right here, it's like a light brown, and I'm gonna just kind of put some a little bit with my brush on the outer part and on my transition area. What do you call this? Yeah, it's a transition color, like a base. Comet is this one. It's right next to it. Just gonna make sure, like when I open my eyes, you can see it. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick up the dark shade here. It's called Dark Matter, this one here. I'm gonna use that with my smudge brush, the little tiny little brush, and I'm gonna put that on the bottom lash line. Okay, now for the hardest part. I'm always having a hard time on which one to pick, the shimmery ones. This one's super cool. Supernova and then Cassar. I don't know which one. Let's do Cassar. It looks like that. Look at it, man. It's so cute. Sometimes I'll layer them. Placing them with my finger, I just feel like there's more control and it sticks better. Okay, check it out. I want to pick up this purple color. It's called Stars and Rockets. It's by MAC. Stars and Rockets. I love this purple. It's really cool. It's light and it's beautiful, and I'm just gonna outline. I'm just gonna do the outer part of the eye just to give it more coolness. I'm telling you, I love layering colors. It's so cool and fun. Okay, I'm gonna pick up this little fluffy brush and I'm gonna pick up my bronzer. Okay, just a little bit, like a dark brown kind of, you know, just a dark brown color, and I'm just doing it on the outer V of my eye just to give it more depth, because I used that purple on the outer part and I don't want it to be too harsh. Like that, just a little bit. Okay, so I just placed my mascara. I'm just gonna pull this one out. It's L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear. This color is called Confident Pink. There it is. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna softly put it on my cheeks. I just don't want to overdo it. Oh, I did it in my nose. Oh my gosh. I mean, that looks cute, right? I think it looks cute. I've been using this one as a powder brush. I just tap it on my face. Okay, this is the closest powder I have in right now. This one's the Fit Me by Maybelline. And I just pick some up and I just dab it on. I know, I get oily really, really fast, no matter what I wear. I still haven't found something that'll make me not do that. I was using the one size. You know what? I should go to the one size translucent powder because I feel like that one worked better than any other one. Okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I'm just gonna use a gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty. It's called Pink Dragonfly Gloss Bomb. Cute. This video was pretty much focused on my eyebrows, but I wanted to do the rest of the face with you guys because it's been a while and I miss you. I miss this. I miss it. Okay, everybody, and this concludes my makeup. I think the blush looks really well with everything else. I was trying to keep it lighter, but anyways, this one works. Yeah, Lily, I heard you, baby. I heard you. I think this blush works. I love it so much. And I think it matches with my nails a little bit. It has a little bit of green here. I don't know, but I really love this palette. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I really miss doing this. I love doing this. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video.